In the last video, we have studied about Liferay installation and setup Liferay on your system. And in this video, we will study about understanding the core architect component of Liferay. First, we will discuss about agenda. Agenda of this video to learn about Liferay architect, and we will explore about core technology and Liferay home. Now into the next point, introduction of Liferay architect. Liferay architecture is a modular service-oriented design using the OSGI framework. It features a portal server, portlet, custom theme, and content management system. This open source digital experience platform offers flexibility, scalability, and integration capability for building and managing digital experience. Now into the next point, Liferay home. In Liferay architecture, Liferay home refer to the base directory where Liferay DXP is installed, containing essential configuration files, libraries, and deployment folder. Liferay home provides some folders like data, deploy, Elasticsearch sidecar, license, logs, OSGI, patching tools, and tools. First, we discuss data. Data refer to the structured and unstructured information managed within the platform, including content, user data, configuration, and application specific data. Next is deploy. Deploy refer to the directory where application and module packaged WAR files are automatically deployed to make them accessible within the Liferay portal. Next is Elasticsearch sidecar. Elasticsearch sidecar is unity used to connect Liferay DXP to Elasticsearch for efficient content indexing and searching. Next is license. License to refer a permission mechanism granting user rights to Liferay DXP, ensuring compliance with the platform terms and conditions. Next is logs. Logs is encompass files generated by the system, such as a Catalina.out and Liferay log.out, containing information about server, operation, and deployed applications. Next is OSGI. OSGI is an Open Service Gateway Institute, is a modular framework facilitating dynamic loading of component and contributing a flexible and extensible platform design. Next is patching tool. Patching tools to allow administration to apply patch to the Liferay portal instance. These patch can include bug fix, security updates, information enhancement, or any others update provided by Liferay. And next is tools. The Liferay database upgrade tool is client program for upgrading Liferay DXP and Liferay portal database offline. The Liferay data upgrade tool is client program for upgrading Liferay DXP and Liferay database system. Now into the next point, Tomcat. Tomcat is a servlet container provide the foundation for hosting and running Liferay DXP. It's handling HTTP requests and managing deployed web applications. Tomcat manages the deployment and execution of Liferay web applications, handling requests and serving as a servlet contains for the platform. Tomcat is an open source application server deployed by Apache Software Foundation. Server as a widely used to servlet container for Java-based web applications. and Tomcat is primarily designed to execute Java Servlet and Java Server Pages (JSP), making its key component for hosting dynamic and Java-based web applications. Now, into the next point, core technology. Core technology is a content of library referred to the foundational framework and technology such as OSGI and Java that underpin the platform. Such architect and enable its modular and extendable design. OSGI, Open Service Gateway Initiative, is a core technologies library providing modular framework that enables dynamic loading components, contribute to the platform flexibility and extendability. Next is Service Builder. Service Builder in library is a core technology that automated the design and generation to the service layer, simplified the deployment of service-oriented component with the platform. Next is modularity. Modularity is a core technology in library, facilitating the deployment of independent and reusable components known as a OSGI bundle, contributing the platform's flexibility and easy to maintenance. Next is theme. Theme and layout templates are core technology in library, providing the ability to the customize and the look and feel of the portal and define the structure of its page perspective. Next is Portlet. Portlet are technology in library serving as plugin user interface component that provide specific functionality and can be added portal pages. Next, we'll discuss core technologies. The content management. In the core technologies, content management (CMS) is core technology in library allow user to the create, manage, and publishing content with the feature such as a versioning and workflow integral to building dynamic digital experience. Next is web content. Web content (WCM) is core technology in library and empower user to the create and manage web pages with the various content types, structure content, enhance the platform capability for building dynamic websites. Next is authentication. Authentication and authorization are core technology in library, provide secure access control mechanism, include various authentication methods and role-based permission system. Next is search and indexing is core technology in library involving integration with the search engine like Elasticsearch to optimize content indexing and retrieval within the platform. Stay tuned for our next video. We will dive into the database, cache and file storage, and thank you for joining.